Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on Xbox Series X full guide. Start by connecting your controller, updating the console, and signing into your Xbox account so progress syncs. Launch Warzone from the Xbox dashboard, choose your preferred graphics preset, and set frame rate to prioritize performance. Adjust aim assist, sensitivity, and button layout before jumping into a practice match to learn recoil and movement. Let me walk you through the key controls and settings that make a difference in Warzone on Xbox Series X. Start with aiming sensitivity and dead zone to match your playstyle, then tweak aim assist based on controller feel. Set audio for directional footsteps, enable HDR if you prefer contrast, and pick a comfortable field of view or weapon sway reduction. Practice these settings in plunder or resurgence modes to see real improvements. On another note, if this guide helps you, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes chores feel like aim assist for your home. It's surprisingly relevant to getting back to gaming faster. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax while it cleans. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical gameplay tips to help you win more matches on Xbox Series X. Use cover and movement like slide canceling and jump shots to stay unpredictable, and always check the mini-map for teammate pings and enemy movement. Prioritize contracts that fit your strategy, manage inventory with ammo and armor plates, and choose loadouts that suit close, mid, or long-range engagements. Communication and positioning win fights more than raw aim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.